welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Gopal Mixing Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another tutorial because it's Sunday. Yes, today is a Sunday and we will going to dive into another tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you amazing Thanksgiving product ideas for your product demand designs and so much more. I'm gonna be talking about that amazing holiday ideas which you can get it and which you can set it for your print-on-demand business. It would be helpful for you. So I'm going to be diving in my laptop in a few seconds and the process of that we're going to begin. Let's get straight with that. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys. We appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. Soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week in exclusive content regarding making money online and so much more. So subscribe to it. The link is in the description box below. So we will going to dive into a laptop in a second and the process of finding the right kind of products for the Thanksgiving if you're uploading it right now, because Thanksgiving is on 25th November. Now Canadian Thanksgiving is about, or I think it's about 12th October, but United States Thanksgiving is on 25th November. So we're going to dive into laptop and we're going to see the different kinds of product ideas and niche ideas for that. So let's dive in. Guys, currently we are on the laptop and I'm going to be using the Etsy for today's video, and we will going to dive into the product ideas, niche ideas for Thanksgiving, for the holidays from the Etsy, because Etsy is a great search engine for selling as well and also for doing a research. So you could see on the very first page itself on the Etsy, you could see the face mask, wall decor, gift ideas, outdoor and garden, self-care and on-sale products. So these are the on the very first page they have featuring these products because they are popular right now, maybe in trending, maybe getting more sales. So that's why you could see the bunch of the different items over here and all those kind of stuff. Just scroll down, you could see the bunch of the stuffs that are popular right now and you could very well buy on the Etsy. So we will going to go first of all into the Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna be typing in the Etsy search engine Thanksgiving, and you could see on the, if I type the Thanksgiving, the different kinds of stuff appear. That's the Thanksgiving decor, shirt, cards, decorations, gift, clip art, cake topper, SVG, Thanksgiving sign, red. So that means these are the products that are more popular and people are looking for. So let's go dive into the Thanksgiving shirt. What kind of designs are popular right now, especially in the Thanksgiving? So you could see, since it's the fall, thankful, grateful, blessed t-shirt. So it's quite simple. You just need simple pumpkins and then the simple text-based design. Again, it's a text-based design, the thankful teacher. So one niche you could target for your Thanksgiving is target specific target avatar, that is the teacher. So if you're just targeting the Thanksgiving, it would be highly competitive niche. So we need to sub niche down, and what we could do, we could actually target maybe the Thanksgiving kids, Thanksgiving parents, or Thanksgiving siblings, or daughter, son, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. Like we could just sub niche down and pick up a niche that is not that competitive. You could see that the Thanksgiving teacher could be an amazing idea because it's a niche idea and also it's related to the profession. You could do a thankful for a doctor, for an engineer, for a lawyer, for specific related to the professions and so much more. Now this one is related to family stuff. So you could see, you could also target the family. She's my sweet potato, so it's targeting to the girl. So this is a bunch of the ideas. Let me just scroll down. Let's see some other one. So you could see mostly are the text-based design that are quite simple to make. You could very well use the Canva for that if you don't, if you're not okay with the Photoshop. Yeah, another niche idea is the thankful mama. So one niche was the thankful teacher, the second niche is thankful mama. That means you are targeting to a specific age group or a specific type of person, that is the mom. You're targeting that and you are making according to it. You could also do a bunch of the stuffs over here, maybe add a floral, maybe add something related to the female design because you're targeting the female, that's the mom, and that you could do proceed with that. Over here, if I'm writing the Thanksgiving shirt, Let me just see what kind of is popular. So Thanksgiving shirts for kids, SVG. So these are the printables which you can, if you're selling on the Etsy, then you could very well create the SVG and sell it. Also for the Creative Fabrica guys, if you are selling on the Creative Fabrica, you could also sell the SVG. Craft items also sell amazingly on the Creative Fabrica. The Thanksgiving shirt women, Thanksgiving shirt men, family stuffing. So these are the niches and I've already talked about it. Let's go into the Thanksgiving shirt family and pick up a niche kind of like stuff. Now thankful mama, I already talked about that, but you could see this is a amazing idea. Like if you're selling on the Etsy, I think it's more famous for the Etsy, but you could also do on your Redbubble shop as well. Like you could target the family people related shirt, like the thankful mama, daddy, sister, or baby boy, or maybe a daughter, or maybe a son, or a brother, whatever it is. You could create a family based t-shirt and you could create a collection on the Redbubble. I think I'll already talk about this thing in one of my video when I talk about the getting a collection ready for the holidays. That could really help you. Let me just scroll down and see some different stuff over here. So this one is amazing. Thanksgiving crew. So if you are having a kind of like a crew or a team or a group, get them Thanksgiving crew, a ship crew, or whatever kind of crew you have. That is also amazing idea you could target over here. In the family, you could go on the second page and third page and can do more research. Let me look for Thanksgiving t-shirt for the boys, for the girls, for the men, for the couples. These are the niches guys you could target for the toddler, women, kids, girls, family, men, couples, toddler boy, baby. Let's see the toddler boy, what kind of niche idea, design idea we could see over here. So since it's related to the toddler, you're gonna see some kind of thankful Jude. It's quite simple. Again over here, it's quite simple. Little turkey, it's also quite simple. Just scroll down. Thankful Jude. So it's a toddler boy t-shirts. You could see and you could target it. Okay, so this was the Thanksgiving shirt. Now I think I'm gonna target the Thanksgiving maybe sticker. Or maybe we could also go into the decor items like the pillow covers, throw pillows, Thanksgiving pillows. So if you see the pillow cover. Okay, so here we are. You could get the niche ideas from here. Either it could be a simple pumpkin. Pumpkin could be a fall design for the Halloween design as well, for the Thanksgiving as well, and all that kind of stuff. This one is a simple text-based design. Give thanks. Patterns and textures or kind of like a more popular on the pillows, the repetitive designs, the seamless patterns. It's related to a Merry Christmas pack. You could see the Christmas pack over here. You could also make it on the Redbubble. Now you can't make a specific pillow pack, but you could also make a collection around it. So you get the idea what kind of stuff we're selling. Let's go over and see some of more kind of stuff that could be selling right now. Thanksgiving, maybe a sticker. Let's see the sticker ideas. Sticker, we need to go to the printable, personalized planner kit, whatever it is. I'm just gonna go simply to the stickers because we wanna get the idea for the stickers. Now here the sticker pack comes into play guys. You could create a beautiful sticker pack on Redbubble because people do buy a lot of the sticker pack. This is a customizable one. Let me just scroll down. Okay, so this is a kind of simple sticker pack. You could create the pumpkin, the hat, the leaves, even this simple text-based design and all that. This is a sticker pack. You got the gift tags. Now you could use these ideas for your Zazzle as well because on the Zazzle the gift tags are there, so you could use these ideas over there as well. It would be an amazing one. Like this is also another sticker pack which I really like. The different kinds of pumpkins, the broom, the hat, and all the Halloween scary home. Text-based sticker pack that you could create. The this is the one thing, guys, you could very well go for individual products. And look over here. Let's go for the phone cases. Okay, Thanksgiving phone cases. So you could see the Thanksgiving phone cases, mostly the textures or patterns, the repetitive designs. The pumpkins would be popular, guys. You could create colorful pumpkins, funny pumpkins. You could play around with the pumpkins. Is an amazing for the fall, complete fall. And also the leaves, the red, orange, yellow colored leaves patterns are also kind of like a more popular. You could make anything out of it. This is also the repetitive design. Another one over here, the pumpkins, the leaves. You could also have a text-based design as well, but most of them here are the textures and patterns, guys, which you can create in the Canva itself. You could assemble all the small graphics and create them like this one. This one is the pumpkins with the leaves, with the florals, and for any kind of product. I have looked for the t-shirt, I have looked for the phone cases, sticker pillow cases. You could do your research, dig deeper. You could simply type over Thanksgiving phone cases and let's see what kind of pops over. So this is the iPhone cases. Like if we are typing over here the Thanksgiving shirt, you could see these are the niches that you could target: a Thanksgiving shirt, toddler, boys, girls, men, couples, toddler, boy. You could also go with the profession and you could target according to it. Etsy could be a great search engine for actually doing a research, for selling as well, and all those. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know if you want a separate video for Christmas product ideas on the Etsy. I can make a one for you if you want it, because this way of searching on the Etsy could be a great idea, and we need to do a research as well before actually making any kind of design. Research is an integral part of the business, of the print on demand business, and you can't miss out. So do let me know in the comment section below if you want a separate video for me to show you the Christmas related product ideas, the niche ideas on the Etsy. I'm gonna be making a video for that, so do let me know in the comment section below. But that's it for today's video. If you find today's video useful, enjoyable, do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you want more such video? I would really love to make them because I enjoy such kind of videos. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.